Uneven paint layers. I have some spots that look like the wood was scraped and painted without sanding or filling, so you can see the different layers' heights. Please recommend grit to use on my random orbital sander to bring it all down to the same level. Question from user Brent W182 at Stack Exchange. Answer: the aesthetics are up to you and off topic. If you want it smooth, sanding aggressively is probably more likely to be very smooth at the end. Just make sure you don't have lead paint under there. The alternative is to fill with a wood filler and putty knife. How nice you want it will dictate how many passes you do. Fill, wait to dry, sand, repeat, which will determine which method is less work. Answer from user Blard at Stack Exchange.